This is Group 7, and the members are Joshua Otuoma, Duncan Puyo, Alfin Atieno, Marion Rachami, and Aska Adhiambo. Now, the project that we undertook was under water conservation, and this was under water conservation we have growing vegetable using water conservation structure. Now, the project undertaken was planting of kales using drip irrigation as a water conservation structure, as you can see, and it was undertaken in order to conserve water that was being wasted in the college community. Uh, it was also undertaken to reuse waste plastic bottles that were dumped within the college. Now, there are members that helped us to carry out this project. So the members that helped us are Stella Sikuku, who is the chief principal. She helps in the provision of land or the site, and she also helps in offering overall coordination of the project. We also have Mr. Luke Yuera, who is agriculture teacher. He helps in the providing guidance and assistance where necessary. We have Mr. Bill Clinton, who is agriculture teacher. He helps in the providing guidance and assistance where necessary. We have Mr. Ambrose Adhiambo, who is the storekeeper. He helps in the provision of tools and equipment. We have Mr. Odhiambo, who is the nursery attendant. He helps in the provision of seedlings. We have Kevin Odhiambo, who is in charge of water. He helps in the providing of water to water the seedlings. We have Grace Atieno, who is the college security. She helps in the providing security during the project and to the teacher training. Now, during the identification and planning and implementation of the project, there was need of taking care of the environment by the community. Now, before the project, the land was bushy, isolated, eroded, and was not under agricultural use. But now, after the project, as you can see, the land was agriculturally what? Under use. And it also increased its what? Aesthetic value. Okay, now our group, in this group there was teamwork, and we also developed core competencies such as communication and collaboration. We also developed values such as love. We also gained skills and knowledge on how to conserve the environment and also how to conserve the water. Now, the members of the community, they were appreciative of the initiative that was taken, and they felt positive towards the project. Now, these people, the members of the community, they were uh, attracted by this project in that they were curious to know more about the project that we were undertaking. And also, the problem that we were solving was directly affecting them. Okay, now the knowledge gained during identification, planning, and implementation of the project was that they are competent to identify and solve the environmental problem that was affecting them. Now, our group was different from other groups in that we had good concentration among ourselves, and this good concentration helped us to work together and to combine our skills that we had from each other. Um, Now, about the project that we were undertaking, there was connection in that the connection was between the agriculture and other learning areas. So other learning areas that we have was science and technology, whereby there was reusing of water bottles for drip irrigation. We have learning area number 2, that is environmental. There was cleaning of the environment. We had language, that is English. There was communication and collaboration. Then the issues learned about was that the problems are workable and can be solved. There was that the problems bring people together as they work towards getting the solutions. Now, what we would do now after this project, there was need that we would do fencing. We would fence the fields that we have worked under in order to prevent the destruction of the crops. We would also spray the vegetables in order to kill the pests and the diseases. So the best thing that we had during this project is that we gained skills and knowledge, competencies and values. We also had some worst things that we encountered during the project. That is, we had time was limit. There was limited time. We also have lack of protective gears, and that is all about our project. Okay, we also have another thing, that is during the project there were some conflicts between us, that we had among the groups. The conflict was that the groups were many and the equipments were few. So this was solved by the teacher, and the teacher solved it by distributing equipments equally among the groups. So we gained skills and knowledge during the project. This will help us to know how we can even do planting during dry season. We can use drip irrigation during dry seasons to do what? To do the planting. Now, after this project, what we would do is to guide the community in identifying more sites to undertake agriculture. We would also sensitize the community in the importance of conserving water using water conservation structures, that is, using drip irrigation. Thank you.